I've watched you drift through empty skies. Your prayers grew faint, your heart ran dry. Yet still I wait with arms unclosed to heal the wounds the darkness chose.
Tried to fill the void inside with fleeting lights that never shine, but still my mercy calls your name to wash your sins, to break your chains.
Jeremiah 3:10. We hear you, Lord, in the silence. We feel your mercy fall like rain. We return to you, hearts restored, made clean and true. The cross still stands. Come, let us return to the Lord, He will heal us. Your grace still calls the wandering soul. You breathe your life and make us whole.
Our shame dissolves, our spirits rise. Redemption fills the tear-stained sky.
If my people humble themselves and pray, we return to you, hearts restored, made clean and true. The cross still stands, your love endures, forever we are yours. Your love won't fade, your grace remains. We bow, we kneel, we call your name.
You lift our souls, you dry our tears. We rise redeemed, no more our fear.
We return to you. All the earth sings.